Hello everyone, my name is Joshua, and today I'll be showing you how Encryption Consulting has integrated Terraform with CertSecure Manager by providing this demo. In this demo, we will be retrieving a certificate from CertSecure Manager with the help of a Terraform script. This script will successfully create a folder named Encryption Consulting in the user's documents and will generate the necessary certificate from CertSecure Manager. We are using Java Key Store for importing our certificates, as you cannot tamper with them without the correct key store password. Now, as we are using Java Key Store for our certificates, you will need JDK in order to be able to use the key tool to search for our entries, which we will look at near the end of this demo. Now, we are using Python for our API handling, as Terraform's API handling is not the best. The files we'll be working with is the main.tf file, which represents our Terraform script, and the certificate.py file, which is what we will use to generate the certificate from CertSecure. Now, before we can begin this demo, we need to understand what Terraform is. Terraform serves as a virtual construction worker for your digital resources. It can enable you to articulate and oversee various components and can allow you to be able to provide instructions regarding your desired setup and configure this automatically when the script has been run. Now, this includes many benefits such as repeatability, scalability, and version control. Now, over to our main.tf file. The Terraform script uses the variables that are passed as input to the certificate.py file to get the certificate. These variables contain organization information that is required for our certificate generation. Now, it is important that once we have successfully run our Terraform script once, that we should alternate this run variable between true and false, as Terraform will only plan the resources if a change has been made to the Terraform script. Now, firstly, we must set up the path of the certificate. We can do this by going to the location of the CertSecure backend and checking under the utility directory and onto the Terraform file. From here, we can copy address as text and simply paste into our default variable. Once the script path has been set, you must make sure that the bearer token has been replaced and that the email you are using has been successfully registered on the CertSecure Manager. Now, our certificate.py file has already been configured and is ready for use. Once you've made sure that these steps have been executed, we can now move on to running the Terraform script. Now, firstly, you need to make sure that you are using the correct file path where Terraform exists. To do this, you will simply type in cd and then paste the file path to ensure that the correct path is being used. Now that we are under the correct file path, we can now initialize Terraform with the following command, terraform init. Now, once Terraform has initialized, we are given the providers needed to perform this script. From here, we can now begin to run our Terraform plan with the following command, terraform plan. Now, when the plan loads up, you'll be able to look over what the script is going to execute. So we are planning to add 1 resource, 0 changes, and 0 resources to destroy. Now, if you are happy with the configurations, then all we have to simply do is enter the command terraform apply. You will then be prompted if you want to perform these actions. Simply type in yes and enter, and the script will run. This can take up to 5 to 10 seconds. And here we are. The Terraform script has successfully run. Here we're able to see that 1 resource was added, 0 were changed, and 0 were destroyed. Now, if we look over at our Encryption Consulting folder, we are able to see our certificate that's been generated from CertSecure, including the Java key store and the PFX. Now if we go over to our CertSecure and click refresh, we should be able to see that our certificate has been generated under enrollment ID number 14 with the configurations that we have set up for the certificate.py file. Now that we're able to see that the Terraform script has successfully ran, we can now view our Java key store. Now each automation piece uses Java key store to store private keys and certificates, including a PFX file. So now that we've successfully reached the end of this demo, to view our key store, you will need to remember the name of the Java key store file, which is keystore.jks, and to view our entries, we must go into an administrator command prompt, ensure that we are under the correct file path, cd, paste, and then we will run the following command, keytool -list -keystore, the name of the Java key store, which is keystore.jks, -store pass, and then the password, which will allow us to access our key store. Now here we're able to see our key store type and provider and see that our key store contains 2 entries, which are the certificates we have successfully managed to pull from CertSecure Manager. We have now reached the end of this demo. Thank you very much for watching.